Hey guys, good day guys. What a nice day today to wake up and boom. As you can see how our code 351 made wonders, 351 made wonders, and our code 428 it made wonders because it gave us 28 as bonus. The 431 it gave us 34 and also gave us what it gave us a 34 and a 35, which a 1 was converted into an 11. Do you see how it went? Okay, cool. This is the group, guys. We managed to get, but this is what it came. It's not 3 numbers, only 2 numbers. Okay, cool. So let me show you the bonus strategy, but it's in the book. It hits 2 bonuses just like that. And this code you saw, I posted 199. So this is how you get the bonus. You add or subtract. 28 was lunchtime. It boomed. 10 is gonna be tea time. It's gonna be a boom. Okay, so guys, this is the strategy for bonuses. You don't have to struggle to do a lot of things. You just have to do this. As long as I've sent the code. The book that I'm writing now, I'm just finishing it up. It's 4 pages, specifically UK Fortnite, the bonus strategy and the secret strategy that we are using to win United Kingdom 49. If you check those codes that I posted, there was this code 199, there was 351, and then there was code 2A. It's 428. Which was actually clear when you subtract 42 minus 8, it gives you a 34, which is a 43. I even said to you guys. And then code 351, it gives us a 36 and a 34, 43. So meaning that on tea time, you see these numbers that did not talk, they're gonna come. Even sometimes some of these numbers can repeat on tea time. You understand? So we don't change, the codes are still the same. Follow the back video and watch. Actually I'm just gonna say, let me check where are these codes. I just have to give you, oh, that's why. Okay, just need to check up, because even though if you check that 199, we divide by 7, you're gonna get a straight 28 bonus, boom. That you divide by 7 you know is the number of the balls, which is there are 7. So if you divide it, you're gonna get a straight 28, which came as bonus ball. So for tea time is gonna be this one, which means, because you know it's UK, what they can do for tea time can be 10 or 1. The bonuses must be there, 10 or 1, between those 2 lines. Those are blade lines. Okay, so what else did I forget to mention here? I think, and I guess we're at the edge of the video. So guys, start purchasing your books here. I've got a book for 100 rand, a book for 200 rand, a book for 500 rand, the one for UK Fortnite. This one I will never give it just like that. I worked hard for this strategy for UK Fortnite. This one 500 is even cheaper, because if you get that book, you'll never even talk to me. It's 4 pages. It's not a lot of pages, just a few pages. Okay, so guys, this is what it is. Go back to the previous video and watch, and also make sure you follow exactly the way I said it. Thank you very much.